second heat of qualifying of stock truck at PRCR. Gary Gomes was in first place after the first run. Thomas Tran in second. They both have identical bodies, so it's hard to call them apart. It's like that's Will Berger in third. Ooh. Oh, big pile up, and Jeremy Smallwood comes out of the mess. Apologize for my bad video camera. Jeremy and Will having a good battle for second.
Alright, everybody has one lap complete. Now, some of you are on your second lap. It is Jerry Gomes up front. Will Berger in second position. Cody Holland in the third spot. Jeremy Smallwood in fifth.
Will getting roughed up by some lap traffic. But he takes care of that. God, Will was talking about me going high on that turn. He's almost to the wall.
Right now, Auto Hall there ahead. You need to check out their facility in the summertime. They have a really good off-road facility. They've done a lot to help us out with our program. So, you need to return the favor.
Alright. See if I can pick up Jerry Gomes somewhere.
You have him in there? You need to check it out.
I think that's Jerry.
Alright,
One of those two is Jerry.
And going down, it is Jerry Gomes, Will Berger, Jeremy Smallwood, Cody Holland, Nick Money in sixth position now. People moving around, making it into the fourth spot. Jeremy in third.
Whoa, big crash in the back straight.
So right now, it is their leader, Jerry. Let's go on that straightaway and see how they shake out. So
Jerry's over here.
In the number 2 spot, Jerry's on this one.
Oh!
Smallwood in the third position.
I don't think sorry about that.
Come on, guys.
I think these are the two leaders right here.
You yourself tangle up. You're hurting yourself as well as everybody else. So right now,
all the cars are in a pack.
So that is the white nose, the blue and black truck with the white front end. And in first place, Will Berger is second place.
Go Will!
Is in the third position. So right now,
alright, so Jeremy Smallwood's right there in the blue and white first. Will that just jumped over the pipes in second. Let's see how Jeremy's line looks here. Ooh, pretty tight on the speed, but not bad.
Jeremy Smallwood, Will Berger, Thomas Tran, Jerry Gomes, Cody Holland,
oh, bummer.
and Dave Ernst.
Oh, I have no Will there. You got Will down. Oh, alright. Well, Jeremy was still in first, but I doubt he is now. We'll watch these guys. That's Gary Gomes. He's now in first place, I think.
Alright, Jerry Gomes back into the number 1 spot. Will Berger in second. Jeremy Smallwood drops to the third spot. Thomas Tran in fourth.
It's really hard to video this track.
Dave Ernst will be 8th spot. Alright, thank you, Dave. Commentary there, so Jerry Gomes currently on.
Alright, Jerry doesn't crash enough. He's not too excited. Let's see who else. We're going to pick up Will Berger. He crashes a little more. He might be more excited than a lot.
Jerry Gomes, Will Berger, Thomas Tran, Jeremy Smallwood, Cody Holland.
Oh, Will, you got to get that better.
And Dave Ernst. It is Thomas Tran.
Way over jumping that.
In the 13-2. Will with the 13-7. Jerry Gomes with 13-2 as well. Alright, minute 15 to go.
Oh, Will with a bad.
Right now, it is Jerry Gomes, Will Berger, Jeremy Smallwood, Thomas Tran, Cody Holland.
That's a good battle.
And Nick Money.
Pick it up from here.
So
I don't know if that's Jerry Gomes or Thomas Tran. There's no way to tell. See if Will can catch up to Jeremy.
Alright, 4 seconds to go. Jeremy Thomas.
Oh, there's the opening Will was looking for.
So let's take a look at the novice drivers that are going to be in the A. It is Chris, Tristan, Daniel, Zach, James, Jay, and
oh, they both hang it up. Look at, oh, that hurt.
Chris, Tristan, Daniel, Zach, James, Jay, and Jeff. Those will be your top 7 in the A. About 10 seconds to go, we have Jerry, Thomas, Jeremy, Will, Cody, Ken, Nick, and David. Keep going, drivers. Keep going, that's all you got. Everybody's still on the clock.
Oh, Will, that was rough. Oh, had to wait, but that was a long wait.
All right, Jeremy, you're done. Jeremy, you're done. Will, you're all right. Cody, you're done.